Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to stream Disney Plus on your Discord. Now, to be honest, this is fairly simple to do. It involves screen sharing as well. So let's go and get started. So as you can see, first, open up the Discord app, or you can open on the web as well. Now you should see your browser listed just above your username right here, and you can click on the monitor icon on the right hand side right here. Then you can confirm the stream settings, right? So this is how it looks like, right? So what you're streaming from, even Mozilla Firefox or maybe Google Chrome or Opera browser, right? And then you'll obviously have stream quality. Make sure it's smoother video. 720p is usually the best, and then 30 FPS is great. And then you just click go live, and then your stream should now be visible just like this as a pop-up window in Discord, where people can join and view your screen. Now, once everyone has joined the channel, you can switch back to your browser and start playing some Disney Plus content. Now, once your stream is playing, everyone in the channel will be able to watch along with you. You can then discuss the show in real time as you watch it, obviously. So yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. Very simple to do. Guys, if you have any other questions regarding this, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.